Ciao everyone, this is Anna, Gomez Mascarella, location coordinator in Florence. You may ask why this long name, and I know, but it's just because I'm Gomez because my grandfather is from Venezuela, but my grandmother is from Naples. So that's what I am, like a mix between Venezuela and Italy since I was born. I was born and raised in Venezuela, but then I moved 5 years ago to Florence. And here I am. I'm gonna show you how my day is and how I live in this beautiful city. I'm super excited to be hosting this Snapchat Takeover today. It's such a beautiful day in Florence. I'm gonna show you the view from my terrace. When I first moved to Florence, I decided to live in the city center to admire this every day, and I'm so happy to live in this city. So this is what I see. So beautiful. Look at the sky. It's summertime. There are two things that I can't live without, and one is my bike that is going with me everywhere, and two, cappuccino. When I first moved in Florence, it was difficult for me to have breakfast that sweet, and then at some point you just get used to. What I normally do is that I sit here to have a coffee here or somewhere else, depending on the weather, and then I just build my agenda for the day. Today we're gonna be doing welcome backs for you, and you're gonna be with me in the process. I'm very happy because I have found green bags for the welcome bags. So global experiences colors. Wait a second, there's a car. Global experiences colors are green and blue. So I found the right green. I'm so happy about it. Now I am on my way to find other surprises for your welcome bags. Now I'm starting the second part of my day. I'm lucky enough to pass by the Duomo every day of my life, going to my second office. I work as a travel designer for a company, and that's what I do during the afternoon or during the morning. So I'm gonna disappear for a little bit of time, but see you later. One of the things that I love the most about being a location coordinator is that I can work from everywhere, and right now I'm gonna show you where I am. Look at this. So the last part of my day is almost end. Look at this. It's gonna be on your welcome bags. Surprise! I don't know if you know it, but every single chocolate have a phrase. So let's see. So it's been a pleasure for me to share my day with you. I'm gonna end my day opening a chocolate, and let's see what is inside. I really hope you have enjoyed my Snapchat takeover. Hope that you like the things that I have showed to you and how is my life as an LC, which is amazing. So to finish, I'm gonna eat this.